Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about transferring a sketch or a reference photo onto Canvas. I get asked about this a lot. I typically do my sketches on a sheet of paper and then use this method to transfer it onto my canvas, but you can also use a reference photo and trace it out and get it onto your canvas that way. So it's fairly simple. We'll go through it really quick, and then if you guys have any questions, leave comments below. Thanks. You will need a canvas or canvas board for this tutorial, a piece of graphite paper. This is what it looks like, the graphite side and the other side. This is fairly simple to do. All you do is lay it down with the darkest side facing down. You'll get, actually I'm going to turn it around. You'll have a reference photo or a sketch that you've done on a sheet of paper, and you'll place that right on top. And you'll simply use a pen, preferably a red pen, so you know where you have already traced over. I'm using a black pen because that's all I have, but you simply just start tracing like this, and you want to make sure that your painting, your picture, your reference photo doesn't move at all. And you're just following the outline of it. And this is when the red pen would come in handy, because with this black pen it's hard to see where I've already traced. But I'm kind of holding the paper down and I'm just following the outline of my reference photo. I'm just getting everything traced out. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I like to get it as accurate as possible. It makes it easier when you go to paint. If you want to trace in any of the shadows that you see, you can do that too. My paper is moving. You don't want that. You can tape it down. And I'm pressing pretty hard, so the graphite transfers really well. And I probably should have moved the painting down a little bit because I cut off a little bit of his little ear there. But just to show you how to do it, it doesn't matter for me. Just make sure you have your reference photo placed where you want it to be placed. And just tracing out little nose here. kind of getting where these color variations are, just so I don't have to worry about that. Since I'm getting the outline, I may as well get all of that as well. I think that's all. This one is pretty simple. Oh, if you want, you can, if you want this shadow back here, you can do that too. And down here. And that's about it. And just lift it up. And there's your little transferred reference photo. You can also, if you wanted, you could also do a sketch. Sometimes I do that. I'll do a sketch on another piece of paper and then transfer it this way onto the canvas as well. I'm just getting in some more stuff that I missed while I was tracing, and that's all to it. So let me know if this was helpful for you. If you need any more tips on how to transfer. I know there's a lot of different methods to use. This might be easier for you. You can always fix things if it doesn't look right. And there you have it. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.